Jackknife crunches. We're going to start this exercise by lying down on the ground on your mat. We're going to be working our abs in a top up and bottom up motion. So we're going to be crunching up. I want you to first start out by lying back on your back, legs out straight, brace that core, bring the belly button down into the mat. Keep your core nice and tight the entire time. We're trying not to allow it to dome up when we're doing these exercises. So I want you to crunch the body up, bringing the shoulders off the ground. At the same time, drive that knee up towards the chest. Rolling back down, keeping it nice and controlled, tension on the abs, and alternate back and forth. Make sure to focus on your breathing whenever you're doing this and keeping the core engaged